Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This year, me and my partner had pots with chili peppers in our balcony. There were so many that we had to do something with them. Besides, most of the types we have are extremely hot, at least for me, and we couldn't eat everything. That is why we decided to make jars with chili chutney with some of them, and we preserve the rest with other vegetables. Our idea is to add them in meals for that extra spiciness and flavor. We have several peppers. Seven pot peach is one of them. It has very distinct and unique smell. I am not sure if I like it or not, and I don't recommend you to try it on its own if you're not used to that extreme of spiciness. When I tried it, my eyes were full of tears. If you add it in other food, it might be okay, but on its own, it's like hot, like very hot. The same goes for the scorpion. I don't dare to try this one. I don't think you should, actually. It's one of the most spicy peppers, if I'm not wrong. Another type that we have is the Chinese 5-color pepper. Hot, but not that extreme. Again, I can't eat it on its own, but I admire the looks of it. It's very pretty when the peppers are growing up. At first, they're this very deep purple color, which turns into yellow and finally red. And when they're red, you're ready to pick them, which is so pretty, and they grow in different speed, and everything is so colorful and so pretty. We also have a hill lemon. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. I think this one is my favorite. I really like this citrusy flavor and smell. Besides, the color is very pretty. I really like this yellow. And last but not least, we have 1 or 2 plants of jalapeno, which I think it's very popular. The process of arranging the peppers and the other vegetables into the bigger jars was very creative. We decided to place the peppers into sections of colors, which was a lot of fun. The only difficulty I have, but probably this is my fault, once you pour water on top, they want to float, and it was quite difficult to close the jars. We had cherry tomatoes. Not only they look cute, but also they're super sweet and tasty, and I couldn't resist but eat a lot of them even before we started. As always, we have our little helper to join the process. A fun fact about her is that she loves to sleep on top of the Scorpio pepper pots. I don't know what it is, but she finds it very comfortable. It's very adorable when she rests her head on the edge of the pot. It's so cute. And I am fascinated that even though there is a water system and a pump up for the peppers, she still finds a place to lay down. Another jar that we did is with a Scorpio pepper and basil leaves. We poured olive oil on top, and this oil will be perfect for pasta and other dishes, of course. As an extra step, I did a few stickers to go with the jars. There's code designs, which is very out of my comfort zone, and I had to design a few versions until I was satisfied with the designs. However, I think they turn out very, I wouldn't say cute, but they're skulls, but very Halloweeny, very appropriate for the month. And if you want to buy them and use them for your project, that will be in my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it inspiring. I just want to share one more thing. I have an Instagram page at @Shechtova where you can find more of my creations. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.